Hello everyone. I think most of you know I have been gone and I had my mail on hold. I've had a very hard time getting my mail sorted back out. First off, they delivered this box from Journey while I was gone when they weren't supposed to. The neighbor had it and brought it over right away, which of course we were coming in sort of under a little stress because we hadn't planned on coming back so soon. And I set it aside and I am just now opening it. And Journey, I apologize for not opening it till now. I opened the box, guys, but I haven't peeked. And then I finally was able to get my mail yesterday, and there was a envelope from Becky. So I wanted to open these things and show you guys, and maybe make a little, put a little bit in my happy mail book, my happy book. Journey, I don't know what's in here, but thank you very much because I know it's going to be a fun surprise. So let's see what it is, guys. Well, y'all know that tissue papers, I love tissue paper. This is cool too. It's kind of got a waxy feel. But what is in here? Oh, there's a note. Oh my gosh. Journey. Oh. Oh. Oh, Journey, thank you. Guys, if you don't know, Lisa had gotten one of these at, thank you, Journey. Thank you so much. I'm going to put that note in my thing. Lisa from Lisa My Eclectic Life got one of these at, what do you call that place? Tuesday Morning. It's a Clover weaving loom. Let me open it for y'all. You probably have all seen it if you've seen Lisa's video. It's really funny. Lisa and I have been on this, both of us have been on this weaving thing, idea kind of thing, and had ideas about weaving, and I had gone and checked, and our Tuesday Morning didn't have any of these. So thank you, Journey. I'm not going to get it all out of the package right now, but the thing about this particular package too was the fact that it has two sections, so you can weave a longer piece. You put these two sections together, you pop them together, and then you can actually weave a piece that is rectangular. Oh, I can see some fun things happening with that. Thank you, Journey. That's so sweet of you. And I'm gonna, of course, they don't want to go back in the bag. I'll have to put it all back together later. Oh, that's really awesome. Thanks, Journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm sorry it took me so long to open the box. She sent a note. What an awesome little loom. Enjoy. Love and art. Journey. Thank you, hon. Thank you. I'm gonna put her little note in my book. Where's a good place to put it? Well, that's not going to be tall enough. We want a spot that's tall enough, so we'll just have to start a new page. Right there's tall enough, so. I have the same little kitty cats on the pad. That was a fun box to come home to. Thank you. This is, I don't know what today's the 26th. Today is my mama's birthday. Thank you, that's so sweet. I can see some weaving videos coming up. Yes, yes, weaving videos coming up. This one is from Becky. And look at this beautiful envelope. And I trimmed it, but I didn't. Getting into an envelope without damaging it, you got to be a little careful. So, but that is such a pretty envelope. When y'all get stuff from me, you get boring envelopes. Sorry about that. Oh, Becky, that's beautiful. I'm guessing this is probably one of her master boards. She does such pretty things when she has... oh, things are falling out. Let's see what it says. Thought I'd brighten your mailbox upon your return. Oh, she sent it purposely for it to come when I got home. She hopes I've had nothing but fun on this trip. Well, I'm not sure that Service Center was all that much fun, but we did enjoy ourselves. It's always nice. It's a relaxed atmosphere. Even though, you know, it's service, because we were there for warranty work, you get to camp for free. You get to enjoy people's company. Having to come home was kind of a downer, but Becky, that's a beautiful card. Thank you. Oh, she made me a zine. Friends are like the sun in spring, shining the light that makes our souls bloom. Mary Davis. Bloom where you're planted. Spring is when life's alive in everything. Spring is when life's alive in everything. Christina Rossetti. Well, this is so cute, Becky. Friends are the gardeners of our souls. I didn't see her make this. Now, I have not been able to watch all the videos that people put up while we were gone because we had limited access to the internet. Even my phone wasn't getting great reception. But this looks like she used die cuts or punches and made the cutest little zine. I don't know if you can see, but see even where there's green on green, there's texture. A kind word is like a spring day, Russian proverb. Sunshine is the best medicine. Some people, like flowers, brighten the world with their lives. Oh, how wonderful. Once you find happiness within, you'll find it everywhere. Becky McCauley. Oh, Becky, that's adorable. Thank you. Now what is in these? Oh, these look like fun. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they're like little embellishments made with painty paper. Oh, Becky, these are adorable. Oh, I like these. These are... It almost looks like she might have used her background paper, or paper that she keeps on her desk to make some of it. But it's painty paper layered up with little brads holding them together. And aren't they just... Oh, I guess I could bring you in a little bit closer. I forgot that I'm on the right camera to do that. Oh, and this one's a book page with a little piece of painty paper on it. And those are painty papers. These are awesome, Becky. Thank you. Oh, this one's got shimmeries on it. And this, what is that? Now, Becky uses her Xyron a lot, and that's what she's done here. These are stickers. They've been turned into stickers, and these are her little birds. Ah! Oh, they're adorable. Oh, those are cute. Oh, those are cute. Thank you, Becky. We're going to make a page with that, with these. I think these kind of look like owl eyes. And there's a little owl sticker right here. So maybe we'll make an owl on a page. Let's put these in my happy book first. And then, okay, those things are falling out. Don't fall out. All right. I am going to put this on like a pocket and then tuck the zine into it is what I'm going to do. Yeah, I actually had to go and get my mail yesterday. They are supposed to deliver it. We got home. It's been a week. I have done everything I can to, and then I tried to call them. I spent 35 minutes on the phone with 2 phones, dialing, and their phone line kept hanging up on me, which was very irritating. Okay. This is from Becky. MCU. Okay. Now I'm just going to partly tuck that in for right now because the glue's not dry. But I wonder if I can make an owl with those as small as this is. We'll see. This is a little book that Brittany sent to me, and I may have to use the smaller ones. Those may be too big to make an owl in this book. No, I bet I could do it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Yep. I think that'll be so cute. Make an owl. Okay, let's see. I think I need a pen. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, he needs a beak, right? Okay, so now he has a beak. Has some little wings. Let's see. Around an owl's eyes usually are it has to have a face, sort of. I think we'll put the eyes like that. Yeah. So look like an owl, guys. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see. These are his wings. Does it look like an owl? Sorta, kinda, maybe. Let's see. Maybe let's change this shape just a little bit. Okay, I'm happy. Let's see, that is. Let me glue those down. Oh, I think those are cute. Becky, I'm going to have to go back and see if I can figure out which videos you did these on. They're cute. But I think we need to put this little sticker down here too. Just for the fun of it. No, I don't think so. I like it without it. If I put it on there, I won't like it. So I'm going to just leave it like it is. No sticker. I didn't use Becky's envelope, and this envelope is beautiful. I'll be using this for something too. Maybe I could use a couple of the flower petals as I might use a couple of the flower petals as what do you call those? Feathers. Yeah, wings. We'll see. Well, let's take a look here. Yeah, I kind of like them as wings. Oh yeah, they're kind of cute as wings. I think I'll put them in as wings. Put them down just a little bit. Okay, guys, let me read my quote for the day, and I will talk to you soon. Oh, I'm going to get busy here and figure out what the next chore is now that I can get mail. And thank you, Becky. Thank you, Journey. You guys are fabulous. Humans are part angel. Oh, part animal, part angel. Creativity is our attempt to reach for the stars. I'm not sure I like that one. Okay, guys. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.